Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about machines that are running with spinning drives with Windows 7. We've got a computer here. It's a Dell business class machine, a few years old, still running Windows 7, and they're bringing it in with part of the upgrade process to a solid state hard drive. So we started the machine just now, and you can see it's still starting the operating system. It's going to take a while for Windows to come up. And this is part of the problem with spinning drives. Over a period of time, they start to go slower and slower. And you can double or triple the speed of your machine by going with a solid state hard drive. Part of the promotion that we're doing at the moment is we do a virus removal, we do the clone, and we put in a free solid state hard drive. And the only thing you're paying for is the price of the clone. And you can see this would be very frustrating if you try to come in the morning and you go to start your machine, and as the minutes go by, it's still trying to start the operating system. So if you're running into that kind of frustration, you're getting tired of the speed and performance of your machine, you can bring it into Impress Computers. And we're going to show you a comparison. Once we upgrade it, we're going to take a solid state hard drive, put it in the machine, and we're going to show you the performance increase that you're going to get. As you can see, we're still waiting on Windows to boot up. And this is normally a combination of a number of things. One, hard drives deteriorate over a period of time. Two, you start to get a buildup of spyware, malware, and things like that actually slow it down. We're finally now getting to the stage where Windows is coming up. So you definitely don't want to be in that situation. If you feel the need for speed, come on into Impress Computers, 281-647-9977.